Hello, myself Pooja Bhand. Today's date is 7th May 2022. Today's video topic legacy class in collection. In the past decade, the collection framework didn't include in Java. In the early version of Java, we have several classes and interfaces which allow us to store the object after adding the collection framework. In JSE 12 for 1.2 for supporting the collections framework these classes where we re, uh, reorganized so that classes and interfaces that form the collections framework in the older version of Java are known as legacy classes for supporting generics in JDK5. These classes are were re-engineered and all the legacy classes are synchronized. All the legacy classes are synchronized. The java.util package defines the following legacy classes. First one is hash table, second is stack, third is dictionary, fourth one is properties, and fifth one is vector class. Then what is a vector class? Vector is a special type of array list that defines a dynamic array. Array list is not a synchronized, while vector is a synchronized. The vector class has several legacy methods that are not present in the collection framework. Vector implements iterable after the realize JDK5 that defines the vector. The vector is fully compatible with collections and vector elements can be iterated by the for each loop. Then vector method, it is used when we want to create a default vector having the initial size of 10. Then vectors int size, it is used to create a vector specified capacity. It is accept size as a parameter to specify the initial capacity. And then a vector int size int increment, it is used to create a vector of a specified capacity. It accepts two parameters, size and increments, where parameters to specify the initial capacity and the number of elements to allocate each time when a vector is resized for the addition of objects. Then vector collection C, it is used to create a vector with the same elements which are present in the collection. It accepts the collection as a parameter. Then hash table class, the hash table class is similar to hash map. It is also contains the data into key and value pairs. It doesn't allow to entry any null key and value because it synchronized. It just like a vector. Hash table also has the following four constructors, that is hash table. It is used when we need to create a default hash table having size 11. Then hash table int size, it is used to create a hash table of the specified size. It accepts size as a parameter to specify the initial size of it. Then hash table int size float fill ratio, it creates the hash table of the specified size and fill ratio. It accepts two parameters, size of int type int and fill ratio, that is type of float. The fill ratio must be between 0.0 and 1.0. The fill ratio parameter determines how full the hash table can be before it is resized upward. It means when we enter more elements, then its capacity of size, then the hash table is expanded by multiplying its size with the fill ratio. And that's all about it. Thank you.